Hello students, today we will discuss the lens maker's formula. Lens maker formula. What is lens maker formula? The lens maker formula is basically the relation of image distance, object distance and focal length of the lens, and which is 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. What is this and why we know this? Firstly, we will know the abbreviations what we have written in terms of the formula. F is here the focal length of the lens, V is image distance, and U is where object is placed and how it is distant from the optical center. So it is object distance from the lens. This is known as lens maker formula. Why we need this? We need this in order to make ease to find out the position of the image when we have the object distance and focal length of the lens. Or if we know any two values in this and we need to find out the third value, we can easily find out by this. Why not we find out that value with the help of diagram? Because we already discussed the ray diagrams. Because we have discussed the convex lens and various we have this kind of discussion. Object is placed here and the image in this case form is real and inverted and we have a lot of specifications by moving the object closer to the convex lens, and in relation to that we already find out the image position. Then why we can't use this? We can use this, but comparatively it is more complex and time consuming process in order to calculate any of the missing value out of these three. So since we make this formula in order to ease to calculate, so how it is easier and how we can calculate from here these distances are to be measured, we will discuss here. So we know the lens maker formula is simply the relation between the image distance, object distance and the focal length. So here suppose we have a lens, convex lens, which is converging in nature, and we will find out the distances. But before we go a wider detail, we need to remind some rules. And what are those rules? There are few rules. That rules are of because so that we can easily grasp what we have to take positive or negative while calculating the values. Firstly, we will write the lens maker formula here, which is 1 upon v minus 1 upon u equals to 1 upon f. Now in this we don't know the value of v is positive or negative, f is positive or negative. So we have certain kind of rules. On the basis of that, we will decide whether these values are positive in nature or negative while calculating the numericals, or in finding the value of any of the unknown quantity when the two rules are given. So first rule is each distance, no matter whether it is focal length, object distance or image distance, it is always calculated from the optical center of the convex lens. And so here we will write that each distance is measured from optical center. So from where we have to calculate the distance? From optical center. Second rule is the measurement is taken. The measurement is taken in the direction of incident ray of light. The measurement is taken in the direction of incident ray of light is always taken as positive. Means the distance is measured in the direction of incident ray of light is always taken as positive. And the measurement which is against the direction of incident ray of light, means if the direction of ray of light is this, so the measurement is taken as positive, but the direction opposite to the direction of ray of light is always taken as negative. Okay, so in this we can write that the measurement taken in the direction of incident ray of light is positive. Otherwise, or in opposite to the incident ray of light, taken as negative. Okay, and the second part of this second rule is when we take the value or height just above the principal axis, this is principal axis, will be taken as positive. When we measure the distance or height just above the principal axis, it is always taken as positive. But when we measure any distance vertically downward to the principal axis, is always taken as negative. We should keep in mind whether the things are, means the values are positive or negative depending upon this first and second rule. Now, in case of convex lens, we have this optical center and the focal length of this surface on which ray of light or incident ray of light is striking will converge this to this point, that is f2. So the focal length will be this OF2 distance. Now look at this. First rule is saying that each distance is measured from optical center. Okay, so optical center is this. Now the focal length is the distance between the optical center and principal focus. So we will move along this principal axis towards this direction because f2 is here. So OF2 will be positive. Why it is positive? Because ray of light is in this direction and we are measuring the direction similar or in the same direction to the ray of incident ray of light. It means in all cases the focal length of this convex lens will be positive. So in any of the numerical problem, if we will see that the question is giving the lens is convex lens, then you have to consider or take the value as positive focal length when it is given. Okay. So what will be the case of concave lens? Concave lens in केस में क्या होगा? In case of concave lens, ray of direction of ray of incident light is this, and we are measuring the focal length. We are measuring the focal length, and the focal principal focus of this surface is in this direction. So when we measure this distance, this direction from optical center to principal focus will be in the opposite to the direction of the incident ray of light. That is why we always take the focal length negative in case of concave lens. So now from here we have concluded that the focal length of convex lens is always positive and focal length of concave lens is always negative. Okay. So we have discussed till so far the sign convention and the rules involved in this lens maker formula. And what is lens maker formula? 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equals to 1 upon F. Now take one case. While for further detailed and applicatory role of this lens formula, we need to solve a problem. Suppose we have any question number 1. In this question, it is given that the focal length is 20 centimeter and the object which is placed is distant by 40 centimeter. Then what will be the position of the image? It is given here. So in this case we don't know the lens, so we cannot give any sign to any of the quantity. Now the question is saying that the lens given is convex lens. Which one is convex lens? So if it is convex lens, we have already discussed the rule, but in order to understand deeply we need to discuss this diagram also. Okay. So in case of this convex lens, the measurement of the focal length will be in this direction. So it is positive as we have discussed rule number 3. So focal length is what? Positive here. And the object is placed here only. Suppose it is 40, focal length is what? It is 20 centimeter. It is 20 centimeter and the object is placed at 40 centimeter. So the measurement will be taken from optical center to direction opposite to the incident ray of light. So the direction, if it is negative, then will be considered as negative. So we put the value here in the lens maker formula. The focal length is what? 1 upon 20 it will be. We need to find out the image distance. We will put the value of U, that is minus of 40 centimeter. We will shift this 1 upon 20 minus 1 upon 40 equals to 1 upon V. By solving this, we will get V equals to 40 centimeter. That is, the image form will be 40 centimeter distance from optical center to the direction at the direction of incident ray of light. Means the incident ray will be formed here only, in this direction, because the sign is positive, and if sign is positive and direction of incident ray of light is on this side, so measurement will be taken from optical center to this direction as same as direction of incident ray of light. So by this we have analyzed and concluded that lens maker formula make easier to find out the exact position of the image no matter where object is placed. Okay, thank you so much. We will discuss the concluding part of this chapter in the next lecture. Thank you so much.